Hi guys, so it's time for I think a relatively quick video with these simply card making kits that Anna Griffin puts out. So this one I recently received. It's an auto ship that I had ordered a long time ago. It might have been the end of the series, I'm not sure, because I think we're on to the easel simply like auto ship. So this one was just one of the first iterations of these card kits. It is available though on HSN, so I will link in the description box, possibly in the little shopping bag here, and those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links, so thank you for doing that if you would like to. Yeah, so this is a Simply Congratulations card making kit. I did unbox it more or less in the haul video I just did the other day. However, we will go through it today, obviously, so we can make some cards. We have our toppers, we have the card bases, really pretty. I know in that unboxing I realized like there is a typo, actually a couple typos. One of my subscribers, I believe it's Betty Ann, pointed out not only was it A instead of Ann, extraordinary, she misspelled extraordinary, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But these are the toppers, really pretty palette. I love the sagey kind of greens in there. I mean, I really love these sides too, like that is so pretty. And you know, a lot of times I don't like covering my foil, but for this one, for this pattern and this, I rather use this side. And maybe we'll use it today. But again, you're going to start putting things on top and you might cover all that up anyway. So something to think about. But I have those. I believe it makes, did we say 12 cards? 2, 4, 6, yeah, 12. And then they just have like congratulatory things on the inside. I would like to make a card for my son's girlfriend who just graduated with her bachelor's degree, I believe in graphic design. But a round of applause is in order, you know, things like that. So I think this would be great for that. Cheerful smiles, a hug or two, happy thoughts are wished for you. Oh, that's nice. I didn't read them all last time. So anyway, you can see the color. They have, may today's success be the beginning of tomorrow's achievements. Oh, that's nice. That's a lot of pressure. So thrilled for you. What a truly amazing accomplishment. And then, I mean, all these will work for that. Wishing you the best for this happy moment in your life. And then, I mean, look at the beautiful foil on that. And this is the one. You are an inspiration. You are a extraordinary. I don't know. I don't know if I noticed that that's misspelled. Maybe it just looks like it, but maybe there's something else on here. But anyway, it just looks funky. Okay, so there you go. And that's it for that one. So I think I'll choose something. I did like what this first one said, no? That one. For you. No, which one? Today's says be the beginning of tomorrow's achievements. Okay, let me pick a card base and then we'll go from there. I'm going to pick it by the sentiment for now. I probably obviously need an envelope. I'll grab that later. We have some ribbon that's just, you know, free flowing. You can do whatever you want with that one. Usually I wind that up after it's been flattened like this because it does get like kinks in it. And then that way it'll just be kind of like a spool. We have the beautiful flowers that of course we'll go through. And then these guys. So I chose this one. And of course it's pretty just the way it is. I think in the last video I did it with this, I didn't cover anything. I just used the card base like this. So thrilled for you. What a truly amazing accomplishment. And you know, I mean, if we're going to top that again, we're covering that up, that beautiful part there. I mean, whatever dies you have, you can definitely bring those out. It's all lovely. I mean, I don't know that this, yeah, that's not too bad. I'm not sure if that coordinates, but I like the way those flowers come off with this. Okay, well, let's think about that. I know she likes pink, so maybe stick to more of pink things. And maybe with the pink with just for you. So proud of you. I mean, that's very nice too. So very proud of you, things like that. But I think like, maybe just for you. Then you have like, you know, some idea here. So let's just play with that. So these are super easy. These are stickers. This is a sticker. I mean, I generally end up using glue, but whatever you like, you can just take the backing off of them. I believe these are also stickers, so you can just take the backing off of that. I want to say there's more than one here, but no, it's just super thick. Okay, I haven't really... Okay, let's see. Pink, red, pink. Oh, we have some more pink. This is really big. Okay. And so that's just what I do. I kind of mess around with it until I'm happy. this is cute, but maybe this rose is too matchy-matchy with that one. But then again, it kind of makes it come to life, right? Where this is flat and this one's kind of popped up. Something to think about. Do we need another flourish? We do have little champagne bottles. I think there's 2 of each of these things. There are left and rights on these, which I appreciate. The only thing is if I only use one here, I'm going to end up having one less for next time. Maybe we switch that guy out with one of these. I do like this flourish, but just to kind of make it a little more matchy-matchy. That's pretty. I mean, you guys, I think I'm honestly really happy with that. Okay, let me clean up and put these things back, and this is like the fastest video probably I've ever made. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's get a little bit closer. I mean, I kind of have an idea of how this looks. It's not the biggest deal. Obviously, we can play with that. Make it work. Go ahead and glue this down. And I love that because you can still see those flowers in the background. I love this paper. You want to pop this up. I don't like putting too much dimension. Obviously, I'm not going to send this to her. I'm going to hand it to her. But I like to keep things relatively flat and more mailable that way. I'm really placing this to cover up whatever that design is that's in the background. I know that just makes us all very sad. What I'm going to do is find this. I rearranged some things, so now I'm like, okay, where is everything? Again, let's go ahead and try to use these as stickers, which I hardly ever do. I usually just put glue, but let's have that guy. Let's go ahead and remove the back from this one. And I don't even know if I'm going to use the dimensionals. I might not. This guy, I would maybe use glue because I'm not really sure where I want it, but let's go ahead and do that. And I'm taking this off of everybody. I'm not going to squish everything down, you know, commit until I know it's exactly where I want it to be. So let's just get this guy. Ooh, okay. I usually pick at them, but just so you know, when you have a single layer, be very careful because you can definitely pierce the paper right through. So I'm trying to just get under the skin of this thing. Sorry. Maybe this video is going to be longer than I thought because of that. We're almost there. It's just I don't like picking at the very corners. You know what I'm saying? Like pick over here. So this is how I do it. Oh my gosh. This one is really giving me a run for my money. Here we go. Alright. So we kind of have this guy. I'm not pressing it down. I'm just placing it for now. And then we have this little cutie coming in behind and kind of, you know, a little bit behind, a little bit in the front. I like the way that looks. Just so you know, the Just For You sticker was a little bit crooked, and it still is. It's kind of annoying, but there it is. Put that guy there. I'm not pushing anything down yet. Okay. Let's bring this guy down in here. I still haven't pushed anything down yet. Still have not committed. Let's see, where do we have this? Actually, that can go on top a little bit. Not my favorite. Yep, okay. I haven't pushed it down, but it's just wanting to stay down. So let me get this under here. There we go. I just like for things to look like more organic, tucked. So these are double layer stickers. So between the one layer and the second, I'm trying to like tuck it in there. So let's take a look at all this again and see where, if we want everything to be kind of where it is. That's cute. That's cute. Yeah, okay. It drives me nuts that the sticker arrived crooked. But there we go. You can definitely take those apart. If something like that happens where this is like off, just kind of get under there because you see it's just a 3D foam adhesive. So I usually just try to get under there and pick it up until I'm happy, and then I stick it back down. You know, something to think about. That really does kind of drive me nuts, but oh well, we'll just try to straighten it out as much as we can. And you guys, that is it. I know it might be hard to tell because the pattern, but in real life it looks really pretty. I like the way everything just kind of pops and you have that dimension. Not too much. Look at that. Super mailable. What a pretty set. So just for you, and then she opens that up, you know, so thrilled for you. What a truly amazing accomplishment. So good to go with my card, with my envelope, sorry, and that's it. Didn't even use these guys. Sometimes I do, but today we just went with the stickiness and we're good to go. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Very simple and easy. I know 2 of the cards obviously have that typo. What I would do with that is just run a die cut layer through. You might even have this shape or something similar, right, from Anna Griffin or any other company. It's a very basic shape. Or honestly, if you don't have a shape like that, what I would do is just cut a piece of paper. Let me see if I have a square or a rectangle. Okay, let's pretend this is it. Something like this guy. And then I would take a corner chomper that does the notch. I don't know if this is the one. Let me see what kind. I don't think this is. You guys know I just got this, so this is a corner rounder, and this does a notch in a funny way. But anyway, you know what I'm saying, like a We Are Memory Keepers type, and just round that out on every corner. And that way it'll fit in there. It'll kind of mimic the shape, and you're good to go there. So, okay. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. That was a fast one. I'll have images, I'll have the links there, and I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.